Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Twitter videos. So the first thing we have to do is open the Twitter or X app in your mobile, and then we have to find the video we want to download. Now one thing you should consider is what you are going to use the video for, because you may need a permission from the original poster due to copyright reasons. So go and find the video and make sure you got permission. So in this case, I want to download this video. The next thing we want to do is we have to copy the link. So to do that, just go and click on these three dots in the upper right corner. So let's click on this video. And now the next thing we want to do is we have to copy the link. So we have to tap on this share button in the bottom right corner, and as you can see, it says share post. All you need to do is just simply copy the link, and it will then say copy to clipboard. Once you copied the link, you can actually close Twitter and you can go and open up any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here, and then you have to search for SSS Twitter. So like these three S's and then Twitter, then go and tap on search, and as you can see the top results here. So click on the first one, and then all we now need to do is go and paste the link in here. So tap in the box and then tap on paste, and then you can simply tap on this download, and you have to wait a little bit, and as you can see download video. So you can download video or you can convert into MP3 as well. So you just simply have to tap on this download, and now as you can see our file has been downloaded. So just simply tap on this open, and you will find that your video has been downloaded. That's how you can easily download Twitter videos. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.